The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Galveston County in southeastern Texas, eastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Chambers County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Smith Point to near Port Bolivar to near Galveston Island West End, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Galveston Causeway, Galveston Island West End, Texas City, Marque, Hitchcock, Galveston Pier 21, Bayou Vista, Jamaica Beach, TT Island, High Island, Scholes Field, Port Bolivar, Bayou, Galveston Pleasure Pier, Pelican Island, Galveston State Park, Crystal Beach, Schlitterbahn, The Strand, and Smith Point. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.